What's up, everybody? Hey, how's it going? Dudes, do you know what today is? Any guesses? Has anyone thought about this Friday? Alright, hold on a second. Do you see that? New pens. We're official. Got my notebook. I have my iced coffee. Yeah. Dude, I'm here. I made it. So yeah, new pens. Yesterday, new paper. Today, new pens. Yeah, this is the last stream, guys. Thanks, Al. Yeah, this is the last stream. Yeah. Go get him, Zach. How many hours is this gonna be? Guys, this is gonna be a 24-hour stream. No, just kidding. Probably just a normal stream. We'll see. Okay, Lynn. Well, just a shout out to everybody. Welcome to the SHSAT study stream today. After this, I'm going to take next week off from the world, basically. But starting the week after, starting in November, I'm going to start doing some SAT content. So if you're looking to get into college, I got a channel for you. Long Island City High School? Cool, man. I like Long Island City. Tips on ELA? Yeah, we can go through that. How long is the stream? Yeah, I got you, Derpinator. If you're going to do another go, what do you mean, Tejas? I wish I could. I have a bunch of tutoring, but I'm gonna stream as long as I can. Motivate you? You can do it. All right, cool. So, guys, oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on. I always forget to do this. All right, so check it out, guys. TylerTutor.com. Again, my phone may fall off the tripod that it's on, just because it's so kind of shoddy right now. Yeah, we can do ravioli problems, April. Yeah, we could. We could do ravioli problems, definitely. All right, so let me just write this down really quick. All right, cool. So, guys, check it out. Today is the last day that you guys can study. I guess some of you guys do have it on Sunday, so you could study on Sunday, no problem. Or Saturday, even Sunday maybe. But for the most part, this is it, guys. This is the end of the journey, of the studying journey, whatever that means. So we're going to be going over some stuff that I think will help you in the last minutes before you take your test. I will use names you suggest, April. Yeah. Oh, the chat's frozen on my screen. Oh no. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can fix that. No. Hold on. Okay, there it is. Yeah. All right, chill. So yeah, it just was a little stuck, I guess. Okay, cool. So, dudes, some stuff that we can do for, if you don't feel prepared, that's fine. Just study. No, I'm just gonna do the stream. I have tutoring sessions right after this, so I can't do another stream after this. Sorry, Tejas. Yeah, I'll make a diagnostic for SAT. Yeah. So guys, here is my website and my email. Okay. I mean, they'll get harder towards the end, Wiz. Here's my email. Bros, if you guys are looking to study more, I have a ton of free resources on my website. It's all available to you. On the website, if you go to tylertutor.com/math, you'll get a bunch of math assignments and pages to work on, and they all have answers, so you can check your work afterwards. And it gets pretty decently advanced, I must say. So that's on the site. I also have DeepMind, which I always make sure to shill because I spent way too much time making it. And this is really good if you guys need something to keep your brain engaged. I mean, it's not going to super challenge you, but before you take your test, don't like spend 3 hours watching anime. Like, do something active with your brain. So play Deep Mind, work on some math, and if you haven't already, the diagnostic is up there too. I've had over 300 people take the diagnostic just this week. Yeah. Yeah, I did get a couple notes, April. Thanks. Yeah, I could always use more, but the notes that I got were awesome. Super awesome. I really appreciate that. Okay. So, how to join the Discord? Ming, there's a link in the description, my dude. No, Anacat, I am not streaming. Why does DeepMind need an email? Llama, you just click through it. You actually don't have to put an email. I have an email collection thing, but if you just push enter, you can just enter. It's not required. But that's just the first thing I ask. Yeah. So all I gotta say is that this is going to be the last stream. Because it's just, for me, it seems a little bit more fair for Saturday and Sunday test takers if I just end on Friday. So I'm just gonna end. So, dudes, DeepMind, I'm Good is a video game that I made. Hold on. Yeah, it's a video game that I made. So I actually have a mobile version, but it's not ready to be released. It takes so long to make a normal game mobile, so I couldn't do it. But it's math, yeah. Oh, okay, cool, man. That's cool, Durbinator. That's chill. It's okay to be nervous, Rona. Recognize that you're nervous. Don't lie to yourself. It's okay to be nervous, but use that energy. You know what I'm saying? Like, use that as productive energy. Don't let it get you all shook and like crazy. Stay smooth, bro. Stay super smooth. Is my chat freezing again? Bruh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right. All right. That should fix it. All right, that should fix it. All right. Hopefully that fixes it. Who knows? Who knows nowadays? I don't. All right, cool. So, yeah. Yeah, you gotta do Pokar. That's actually really deep, bro. I appreciate that. You gotta flow with your nerves. So yeah. All right, bros. Pewman wants to start. It's 6:10. Let's start. A little bit of math. I did not prepare ELA today, which is unfortunate. We can talk about ELA, but yeah, I did not prepare anything in advance today. I just new Fortnite DeepMind Mobile. Yeah, dude. All right, cool. So let's start off with a little bit of a kind of I think a kind of a tricky problem, but you're gonna have to give me a minute to write this one because it's gonna take kind of a while because I want to put answer choices with it. So just give me a second, bros. I'll be right back. Actually, so then this would be. Okay. Okay, so that looks nice. So it would be Okay, cool. Let's do that. All right, cool. Let's do that. All right. So, sorry, bros. This is not the smoothest beginning to a stream that I've ever had. That's for sure. So let's see. Okay. So it's going to be. Let me make sure I did this right. I don't want my first problem with the stream to be really bunk. All right, so let's see. So then it would be, so it'd be, okay, so then, okay, okay, okay. All right, lovely. All right. Hold on. Did I do this wrong? Hold on. Give me one more second, Rose. I'm so sorry. This first one is like, I don't know why. I think I'm just getting my brain into the swing of this test. So just chill. So that would be, ooh, okay. So that would actually have to be that. So it would be, all right, cool. So I did do that wrong. What? Oh. So, okay. Okay, so I don't know why this is taking me so long to do, but it just is. So just hold on for one more second, guys. I'm just trying to get my brain into it right now. It is not. Okay, so that works. Ooh, yeah, that didn't work out. Oh my gosh, dude, this is so hard. Why is this so hard in my brain? Why is my brain not working this morning? Hold on. Let me get my coffee. Let me see if this helps. All right. We're starting from scratch. No excuses here. Hold on one second. So I want it to be. Okay. So then that could be. Okay. All right. Finally. Get rid of this. We don't need this. Okay. Here we go, bros. It's happening. Where's my work for that? Dude, did I just lose my work for that? Oh no, here it is. Wait, where did it go? All right, that's good. Okay. All right, bros. Finally. Here we go. First question of the day. Well, it's only 17 minutes in. That's so bad. All right, so let's get into it anyways, bros. All right, I'll give you guys, I'll give you guys like a minute and a half to do this one. Here we go. So let's get it. Which number line represents the values of x for when 17 is greater than negative 4x plus 1, which is greater than 5? That took 8 minutes. I know, Benna. Like, my brain is like basically done. This has been a lot of tutoring. This has been a lot of tutoring, bros. That's all I can say. How long is the stream going to be? I don't know. Probably an hour. Maybe longer, actually. All right, so we got some answers coming in. April. Nice. And I know I didn't put letters to this because I'm so out of it. All right. April, Rohan, Nazir. Nice. Leo, Astalabor. Zeden. Zach, Leung, top left. Got you, dude. Zach. Okay, wow. Cheetah, Rodney. Tiffany's got this one over here. Tiffany. Nice. Lynn, Hong. Got you guys. Lynn, Hong. Dude, we're going. The stream is happening. Anaf, Gamer, sorry. All right, dude. Anaf, Gamer. Sorry. Wow. All right, you guys are absolutely crushing this. Monster, Ming, good. Whoa. Ming, good. All right, cool. So that probably is enough time. That's like a minute and a half, minute and 2 minutes. All right, so let's go over this. I know there's a lot of answers from people I did not get, but you can see in the chat who the absolute legends are in this. So here's our inequality that took me 10 minutes to make. Dude, I really don't know why it took me so long to make this, but it did. That's just what's up. All right, so let's go into it. So 17 is greater than negative 4x plus 1, which is greater than 5. So the only reason that I wanted to pull this up, Nate Blade, I think the stream's going to be an hour, maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Ooh. Could it be? Could it be a super stream to end the season? Who knows? So here's our equation. So we treat it like a normal algebra equation, except for normally on the algebra like realm, if you add one to one side, you have to add it to the other side. This is a 3-part equation. So if you do anything to one side, you actually have to do it to all 3 sides, which is fine because we're just going to isolate this x. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 1 from each side. Easy enough. Cool, and that's obviously equal to, equal to, equal to, equal to. Great. So this is where people can mess this up. This is where it can mess up. So just remember, with an inequality, this is a little hot tip for you guys. Inequality, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, for example, I'm going to divide all 3 sides here by negative 4, you flip the signs. So that's negative 4, but now the sign goes this way. And that's what we ended up with. That's what took me 10 minutes to make. So yeah, that's the answer. So yeah, Tiffany, you did a lot of really good work, but don't forget to flip the sign, bruh. Don't forget it. Shouldn't the circles of the points be unfilled? No. Oh, no. Not anymore. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's how that one goes down. All right, geometry time. April, I need a name for a shape. Is 15 wrong enough for sty? It depends on which sections you get those 15. If it's evenly split, maybe not. But if you get a perfect on one section and 15 wrong on the other, then you're actually pretty good. It was not greater than or equal to. It was just greater than. I know, but I changed the problem. Like, I know eventually, it originally was just greater than, but you see how I kind of snuck in those lines at the end? Yeah. So, okay, cool. So, guys, let's do another problem. Where's my ruler? Did April give me a name for that shape yet? Actually, let's keep these lines going. Okay, so let's say that's going to be so that's All right, where's my calculator when I need it? No calculators. Okay. Let's do the. So then that would be. Hold on. Where's my scratch piece of paper? All right, here it is. Okay. Okay. So then that would be. All right, cool. All right, here it is, bro. Yeah, dude, I just changed it. I don't know. It's all good. All right, so here's the problem. Guys, I would like to know if these lines here, if these lines are parallel, let's call them line L and line M, and let's say M is parallel to L. What is the value of X? That's my question. What's the value of X? I think this works out. I think it works out. Put its name. What did you name it, April? I missed your name. Chip's got 130 already. All right, so we'll start putting down answers. That's actually pretty true. Ming, Justin got 120. Good answer, Jason. We got 110 floating around, and that's Audition and Rigby. Got you guys. Nice. Zhao got 110. There you go, Zhao. Cheetah got 120. Got you. Hong got 120. Got you, Justin. Kron. Mahia. Yang got 110. Macau got 130. Ooh. Was this a hard problem, guys? Dude, April, where's the name? I've been waiting. Narul. Got you, bruh. Alright, word. Sorry, got 132. Got you. Zeden got 120. Alright, Zeden. NK got 110. Ahmed got 120. Dude, Leo got 120. Dude, kind of a split in the answers here. Anuj. Word. What's up, B-Trick Shots? Rohan. Got you. Astalabor. Dude, April, I still haven't seen that name. That makes me so sad. Scorch. Yeah, it is harder without paper. I will give you that. Ranger. Word. Okay. All right. I think we're kind of reaching the end here. Jasmine. Gamio. Or Gamio. My bad. Gamio. Ricky. Nahar. Dude, a lot of different answers here. I'm very interested to see what it actually is. Just someone. Got you, bro. Tejas got 100 flat. That's good for you for not bandwagoning, dude. If you got an answer, you got to believe in it. Llama got 110. All right, bros. I got to cut it off. I'm so sorry. But we got to go over this, or I think it's important to go over this. So, guys, again, looks complex. I understand it looks complex. They're going to do this to you on the test. They're going to be like, hey, guys, you can't solve this. But just realize that a lot of times when they're super complex like this, oh, it just went by? What was it, April? You sent it like 3 times. How do I only ever see your comments about the name? You missed my name. Well, at least I got your score now, April. All right, you will have to just tag me my name in the chat so I can make sure to see the name next time. All right, so let's go through this. Simple concepts. First concept that we're going to have to play with is to know that when 2 angles are on a straight line like that and they share a point, it's going to add up to 180. So we know for a fact that this guy right up in here is 130. So that's the first concept we kind of have to be slick about. We can do 130 here, and right here we can be 70. We just have to make sure it adds up to 180. The second concept that we need to be aware of is that any four-sided shape, the interior angles add up to the candelabra. Okay. All right. Let me. Candelabra. All right. That's actually this is the mathematical term for what this shape is called, a candelabra. So okay. So we know that any four-sided shape is going to add up to 360 degrees. So this angle is needed to equal 360 degrees. So we can add up these three really quickly. So 110, 130 is going to be 240 plus a 60 is going to be 300, which means that this guy right in here is 60. Lovely. So what about this guy right up in here? Because this is a four-sided shape as well. So 110 plus 110 is 220, plus 70 is 290. So to get to 360, this here is going to be 70. So that's the first two concepts you have to be aware of. The fact that these angles equal 180, and the fact that inside any four-sided shape is going to be 360 degrees. Now, we do know that this angle here is going to be 50 as well, because this whole thing needs to add up to 180. That will help us. So that is going to be 50. So now we have all these angles. The third concept we have to be aware of is that opposite angles or vertical angles are equal. So since this is 50, this is 50. This is 70 because that's the 70 across, and across from the 60 is a 60. So three concepts so far we've had to crush through to get to this problem, but none of the concepts on their own are that crazy. Then the last concept, we're dealing with these parallel lines. So that's something you should also be kind of heads up about this one, is because whenever they give you a piece of information, like for example, that these two lines are parallel, you need to start asking yourself, okay, so how can I use that information? And so I'm just gonna move this for a second. With parallel lines, whenever we have a line go across them, we know that certain angles are going to be equal to each other. So we can do that here. We want this angle. So that means this big angle is going to be what it's equal to. So 50 plus 60, 110. That's what's up. Good job, guys. Dude, we hit 100 viewers. Yeah. That's my air horn. All right, dudes. Yeah, don't forget to like the video if you like the stress that the SHSAT is bringing in your life. I made it weird. But wouldn't the other angle be 70? So this angle in here would be 70 for sure, because that's that opposite angle, but this is 110 here, so this is 110 here. It's like that parallel. Yeah, dude, good luck in Furnace. You're gonna do it, dude. My shapes make sense. The triangle add up to 170 in the middle? Which triangle? Oh, it does add up to 170. That is tragic. Wait, yeah, that is bad. All right, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I get it. I'm getting roasted. Okay. I just whipped up this problem. All right. I'm going to give you guys I'm going to give you a really hard geometry problem as partly redemption to me for the candelabra. And so, yeah, just give me like 2 seconds and I'll think of one for you guys. So we'll do like, ooh, that will be really chill actually. So it'd be like, how would that work? Like that, or we could do like a let's see. Yeah, exactly. That's a good point. Oh, what's up, Daphne? Hey. All right, so let's see here. We'll do like a. Oh, okay, that could be kind of chill. Dude, my brain is like dead today. So much tutoring. Let's see. Circle like that. Okay, chill. That is so chill. Okay, we'll do something like that. All right. My circle's so bad. All right. Okay. All right, so check this out. Or actually, all right, let me redraw this. Actually, that was kind of trash. Hold on a second. All right, cool. So let me actually redo this. How did I make a worse circle? That's so bad. All right, sorry. Okay. All right, this is looking better now. Okay, this line actually needs to keep going. All right, lovely. All right, much better. Okay. All right, bros. So we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. I will tell you that. And we know that DF is 6 feet. And we know that angle BCG is 60 degrees. What's the area of the shaded region? I guess in terms of pi. Oh yeah, and this is Alaskiata. Whoa. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I was just double checking the chat and it like ruined it. All right, so what is the area of the shaded region? Where is E? There is no E. It's just DF. L? No, that's angle BCE. Angle BCG, guys. Is AD and BC parallel? Yes, that's the nature of a parallelogram. Yeah. Okay, so first answers. Cron. The letter E? There is no letter E, guys. There's no letter E in this. I skipped E. I did. Okay. Dude, the chat is going crazy. All right, Leo, Xiao, Astalabor, good, Nayblade. Wow. Wow. There is no E. Guys, there's no E. Monster. Sorry. Dude, nice. Mahia. Oh, wow. Okay. You guys are good, dude. I skipped E. I know. I know, bro. Brielle. Ming. Pan. Wow. Dude, you guys crushed this. You guys know how to do this. That's so good. Macau. Noise. Noise. Anacat. Dudes. Are you guys ready? Alright, guys, here's E. That's point E right here. Alright, it's... okay. Alright, Cheetah. Alright, cool. Yeah, are you guys excited? Cied. Alright, so let's go through how to do this. In case you guys are confused, there's two concepts that I put into this problem. Which, guys, the first concept is to forget your E's. Always forget your E's, guys. The second concept that's available, well, actually, I guess there's three concepts. So the first is what we talked about with this angle here. So this would actually be 120, this angle. And with a parallelogram, any two angles that are next to each other in a parallelogram have to add up to 180. So this angle and this angle have to add up to 180. This angle and this angle have to add up to 180. This angle and this angle have to add up to 180. And so that's why this guy is 60 degrees in here. So we know the radius is 6 feet, and so now we need to find what the whole area is. If the radius is 6 feet, pi r squared says that the area is going to be 36 pi, because the radius is 6. So we know that our part is going to be 60. What is our whole? Well, the whole angle measurement is 360. So our part over whole is going to be 60 over 360, which reduces to 1/6. So the shaded region is 1/6 of this 36 pi, and that's why everybody got 6 pi. Really, really nice. Oh, sorry, April. I see you. I see you. So yeah, if you guys are looking for ELA stuff, we can definitely do ELA. But if you're looking for ELA, look, last week we did a bunch. On Monday, I think we did some, or Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we did some too, or Thursday. So just go back to the previous streams and we can do them for sure. I will make a tribute to the forgotten, or at least not often appearing Rachel Chang. Is Rachel in the chat? I missed your name, April. Shout out to April. All right, cool. So let's keep going. I want to do a little bit more math before we jump into any type of ELA review. Revolutions. Ooh, we have not done a revolution problem in a really long time. All right, so let's actually do that. We'll do ELA a little bit later, bros. Why did you not write E, not O? That's because I'm just writing fast, dude. Oh, Rachel is here. What's up, Rachel? All right, cool. Yeah, at the end of the stream, I'm going to go over tips. I'm going to be going over what I consider these hot takes from the actual testing itself. One thing I will bring up that I think is really important is the idea of pacing. You guys need to pace. Just like I was actually telling a student earlier today this, like when you're in the subway and like, okay, let's just quick story time, quick hypothetical. You get on the subway and the train goes like really, really fast. It like flies out of the station and you are cooking. It could be an express, it could be skipping stops, whatever. But then once you get, a couple stops down, it slows down to about normal speed. That normal speed is going to seem slow to you. Okay. Now imagine if you get on that subway train and it goes 15 feet into the tunnel and then stops, and then goes 5 feet into the tunnel and stops, and then goes 10 more feet, then stops. If you even get up to 5 miles an hour steady, that's going to feel fast to you. So why do I bring this up? Because if you have easy, 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 and then a super hard problem, and let's just say you spend 45 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, maybe like 20 seconds, you knock it out, and then you get to this really hard problem and it takes you like 4 minutes. The next problem you're going to do, it's going to feel like you're going really fast, even if it takes you 2.5 minutes to solve it. That's going to feel just as fast as these felt because you're coming off a really, really hard, heavy one, bros. Dude, are you serious? Is it really static right now? Dude, no way. I don't believe that the static is back. I don't believe it. Uh, dude, just so you know, the static is here for you, guys. And I am here for you. I am sending you guys the most positive energy that I potentially can. So, guys, how do you fight this? Because then maybe you do the next one, you're like, I'm blazing through that. I did this one in 1:30. It feels fast. And so what this did was it messed up your internal pace. It reset your internal clock. So that's why I super recommend just skipping. If 10 seconds into this problem, you don't know how to do it, skip it, bro. Just skip it. Because then you'll get into the next easy one and you'll keep your nice pace going. So yeah, that is just kind of my pacing kind of tip for you. Just reorder the questions. Do all these easy ones. Get to this hard one and skip it. See you later. Then do this one. And so rather than coming from 4 minutes, if this takes you 2 minutes, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I got to get back on my horse. And the next one, you might be able to compensate and get back down. Whereas if you get to the 4-minute one, then you might get kind of misadjusted. So save that 4-minute one to the end, and that way you can keep a nice crisp pace throughout the whole thing. Do the questions you sent in my email. Okay, Tina, let me see what that. I actually. Oh yeah, those are actually. I don't know. I feel like those are a little bit too crazy. They actually. I don't know. I mean, we've done a couple of them in the stream, actually. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I'm not going to do those questions, Tina. Yeah, so who's taking it tomorrow? Yeah, exactly, Justin. I actually would skip the hard until you finish the section. That's what I like. Go back and do the hard ones at the very end of the section. That's what I would do that. Please do some harder questions. We can do some harder questions. Yeah, we can definitely do that. Should we do a subject we're good at first or the subject we aren't good at first? Dude, Nadeblade, 100%. Do the question that do the section that you're good at first. 100%, dude. Like, you got to realize how the grading works. And like, I can go over that really quick because it's super important. Like, it's about percentage correct. That's it. If you can get to a very high percentage correct, each of your correct answers at that high percentage correct are worth a lot of points. So let's just say, for example, the test is only 10 questions. And you go through and let's just say you get about 5 of them right. It doesn't matter which 5, it could be this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. But 5 right, that's 50%, okay? And let's compare that to another test with 10 questions. And let's say they have 8 right. I know I spelled right wrong. Where's that H? Okay. So you have 8 right. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. If you go back, let's say this is your ELA and this is your math. Let's say at the end of the section or at the end of the test, you guys have extra time and you're like, okay, I'm going to go back and check my work. If you go back to the math section and you're able to get one more question right, that question is going to be worth about 10 points to go from that 80% correct to that 90% correct. If you go back to your ELA section, which is only 50% right, and you get one more question right, that would be worth about 4 points to your overall score. Do you guys say what I'm talking about? Do you guys say what I mean? So when you're at a very high accuracy, getting an extra question right on top of it is worth a ton of points. Okay. Yeah, it's about your percentage you get right. It doesn't matter if you go back and you get question 1 and that's your 9th question right. It doesn't matter if you go back and get question 5. It doesn't matter the order the question is in the test. It matters about your percentage. And when you increase your percentage, when you increase it at a high percentage, the questions are worth a lot, dude. So I know you can't choose which ones you get right or not, but if you're smart in math and you have extra time, go back and check the math because each question you get is worth more. Whereas if you're much smarter in ELA, go back and check your ELA because that has a higher probability of you having more correct. So that's how that goes down. Yeah. My accent is coming out. Oh no. I don't even think I have an accent, but maybe. Get it correct. Okay. All right. All right. And people are begging for ELA, but I don't have any ELA for you guys. Go back earlier in the week. Like I could not prep today. Like I have like so many sessions that I had to prep for them, so I couldn't do it. Can I do a mindset conversation? Yeah, actually. So this is a true story, and I'm gonna change the names obviously because I don't want to blow up this dude's spot. But I tutor to get people into college. And a lot of times I'll get like a football player who's really good at football and he's going to go to college for football, but he does not have the grades to pass the test to get into college. And so they call me and I tutor them. And there's this one football player, dude, he was not scoring well on the test at all. This was the SAT, so to get into college. Dude, he was not scoring on the test at all. And it was really hard for him to learn stuff, dude. It like took a long time to soak up in his brain, you know what I mean? But he had a great attitude. Like if he forgot how to do something, he didn't let it bother him. And like when he got to a question where he really did not know how to do it, he's like, okay, whatever, and just skip to the next one. Like he really did not let the test get him down. And dude, when he got his results back, he absolutely crushed it. So what I'm saying is that, yeah, test prep is about smarts, but it's just like the Olympics. It's just like the World Series. It's just like, like a show or a performance or whatever analogy you want. Like if your mindset is good, it will help you so, so much, dudes. So guys, as far as mindset goes, stay positive. Don't get down. If you see a couple questions in a row you don't have to do, whatever, dude. Those could be field test questions and they're not even graded. Just stay positive, bro. Stay as positive as possible. And that mindset, even without not studying at all, will help your grade a little bit, dude. His SAT score was in the 1300s. So for him, that was like insane because he started at 1,000. Yeah. So, dude, just take the test, dude. Just relax, stay positive, right? Yeah, that's all you can really do, bro. Tina, if you have a question about score conversions, just email me. I got you. Yeah, don't even worry about it. Slope is on the 8th grade too. I actually don't know if it will be. That is like possible. Yeah, that's possible. Yeah. So yeah, that's I guess my biggest kind of hint to you, just mindset wise. Like just keep in mind that, yeah, that's just how that goes down. All right, so let's see. You're cons right now? Nice, dude. Kron, we're not going to do ELA, bro. Check their earlier videos. Angles, please. The comma rules? Oh, I could write down some comma rules for sure. Yeah. Let me see. ELA tips. Okay, I can do some ELA tips. All right. So, commas. We can talk a little bit about grammar actually. So, combining sentences. There is only 3 ways to do it, and only really 2 of them matter to you. So let's just say Joe sits and Raleigh stands. Those are 2 complete sentences. We have a noun doing a verb and a noun doing a verb. So there's only a couple ways that we can actually combine these. So here are the 3 ways that we can combine them. 1, we just use a period. 2, we use a comma fanboys. Okay. So if it's not a list and you see a comma fanboys, that's the same thing as a period, bro. So just keep that in mind. The 3rd way to do it is a semicolon. So those are the 3 methods. What are the fanboys? For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So if you see Joe sits, comma, and Raleigh stands, good to go. So if it's not a list, where it's like I like rocks, paper, and scissors, that's rock, paper, comma, and scissors. If it's not a list, then a comma fanboy is the same thing as a period. Yeah. So just think about that though. Just think about that. You know what I mean? For combining sentences. The last thing that I want to do ELA before we go on to some angle work and stuff like that. How do you solve what's an error in its construction? That's a good point. All right. So prominent. When they say what's an error, what's a like an error in the construction, it can be a lot of different things. So what he's referring to is the first 9 questions you're going to get are straight grammar questions, and they're going to ask you to fix some stuff. And a lot of times they'll give you a paragraph and they'll be like, all right, what's the problem? Here are the things that they test. Misplaced modifier. That's the first big thing they test. And that's like saying, like over 300 acres, Ryan ran through the forest. Now, over 300 acres is right next to the noun Ryan. Over 300 acres, Ryan ran through the forest. Over 300 acres is probably going to be, talking about the forest. So it'd be 300 acres, the forest was ran through by Ryan. That would be fixing the modifier to make sure it's in the right place. The second thing you need to look for is for punctuation errors. And this is what we're talking about with like combining the sentences. If you see 2 sentences like this and there's just a comma in between them, that's wrong, bro. That's wrong. So check for your punctuation errors. The third thing they may be testing is verbs. You got to match the verb to the tense that it is. You also have to match the number that it is. You wouldn't say John and Ellen swims. You'd say John and Ellen swim. You would not say Ellen swim. You would say Ellen swims. So the number of the noun affects how we produce the verb. So those are the 2 things they test for the verb. The last thing that they might test you to is pronouns. Make sure that the pronoun goes to the right verb. If it's John and Steve, you can't just say he. You have to refer to them as a they. And if it's like a plural thing, you have to make sure that it's a plural pronoun. So these are the big things they're going to be testing you on. This is it. This is it. And they might hit you with an apostrophe question, very unlikely. But guys, in the first 9 questions, generally this is what you're going to be doing. So yeah, that's how this goes down. Yeah. All right, let me get some soda in me. Dude, we're going on to hour number 2. It's happening. Do I have my own tutor place? Yeah, it's just me. I am my own tutor place. Which sentence has incorrect word choice? When would they say that? That might. That's actually a really interesting one. Did you get that from the handbook? Prominent. I like that advice, Pokar. Just do as best as possible. What's a good score for my online diagnostic? I don't know. I would compare it to whatever school you want to get into. Yeah, today is a super stream, bro. It's going to be a super stream, dudes. Yeah. What made you decide to help us lost kids study for free? There's a lot of reasons that went into that, but I guess the simple one is that you guys need to study. So here I am. Subject verb agreement. Yeah, that was on my list, bro. Of course, the one piece of paper. That subject verb agreement. The verb has to agree with the number of the subject. Yeah. Yeah, that would actually be really tight, but I can't do that today because I have a tutoring session right after the stream. Yeah. So yeah, start praying for sure. Okay. So guys, the key here is to find one section and to absolutely destroy that one section. Yeah. What's up, Rachel? Yeah, we can do that, Megan. Dragon. We can do that. So let's see. Let me see. Hold on. People say that the max for each section is 360. Yeah, that is about true. So April, when they ask about sentence structure, they could be asking about any of those. Generally, when they ask for sentence structure, they're asking for punctuation and they're asking for misplaced modifiers. But they could test anything. So just stay on your toes. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty similar, Elizabeth. Of course, who knows? But yeah. Dude, you've been making silly math errors. Rachel, you gotta go play DeepMind. You gotta get precise. Get precise, bro. 5 plus 2 is 10? No, that's 9. Get with it, Rachel. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here's the question. Of course, be on the lookout for curveballs. You know me, so let's get it. There are 20 people in line to buy the new TV set. Only 2 people will get it. If the store is a complete free-for-all, how many different groups of 2 people can end up with their TV? Yeah, dude, the chat is stressed. I can definitely feel that too, Poke. So yeah, dudes, get your head right now. Like, get relaxed now. Like, being stressed won't help you. Stressing won't make things better. So breathe, kick it, try to relax your brain. Just make it easy for you. Okay, so we're getting some answers here. Leo, Zhao, Sing, Macau, Cred, Pew got 380. Got you, Pew. 380. You're getting 1,000. Wiz, Prominent, Tejas. I missed the days when I was calling you Tejas. No, what was Tejas? Yeah, Leo. Olympus, Gameo, keeping Pew company over here. Who knows, dude? Leon got one yesterday that nobody else got. Izu, Aniket. Let's see, Nahar, Kron, Chan, Ahmed, Zeden, Vena. All right, cool. Justin Hong just wrote his last name Hong. Henry, Dan's. All right, what's up? Okay, there you are, Hong. That's so funny. You wrote your own name. Diamond Ranger, Ranger. We got the dead meme. What's up, bro? Dead meme. All right, cool. All right, dudes, I'm gonna cut it off. All right, bros, let's talk about this one. Guys, I threw you a curveball. Don't know if you caught it. Don't know if you did. So normally when you see permutation questions, it's about people in line and how many ways can the top 2 people be in line. So that's why I made the scenario a line. But bros, the store is a complete free-for-all. So it doesn't matter the position in line. And also, there are 2 TVs. So the first person to get a TV and the second person to get a TV, doesn't matter. It's not like first place gets $1 million, second place gets $1,000. No, first place gets a TV, second place gets a TV. So does it matter if you get first or second? Does it change anything? No. So that's how we know we're doing a combination. And guys, remember what the formula for a combination is. You set up the permutation and then you divide it by the factorial of how many we're picking. So the number we pick, factorial, which is if it's 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If it's 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. So we're going to set up the permutation. How many people can potentially get the first TV? 20. 19 could get the second TV, just like a permutation, but then we need to divide it by 2 factorial. So that 2 factorial is the same thing as 2, because 2 times 1, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm going to go ahead and first cross this out. So that's a 10. So 10 times 19 is 190. Oh, absolute legends. Absolute legends. Yeah. Yeah, that is sad, Kron, a little bit. If you guys don't want to watch afterwards, but I understand you guys are in specialized high school. However, if you guys do want to go to college, I will be doing SAT stuff and way more advanced stuff. So if you're interested in that, definitely check me out in 2 weeks, because next week I'm going to go on vacation. It's time. I need a break. All right. So yeah. So that's how that one goes down. A little bit of combination problem there. Okay. How about a little bit of a probability problem? That could be kind of chill. Hard question. Sorry, bro. Okay, cool. So let's see. How would that work? Oh no, that wouldn't work. Oh no, that's great. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Wait, actually, hold on. All right, cool. So here's the question. Guys, there's only blue and green pens in the bag. I didn't have time to write that, but that's what's going on. All right, so let's kick it. I randomly pick a pen and then put it back. The probability of selecting a green pen 3 times in a row is 1 over 729. If there are 8 blue pens, how many must be green? I'm going to stay here on this channel. Okay, so we got the answers. Dude, I'm so excited for the chat, dude. The chat is so smart. Diamond Ranger got F. He's just like, I give up. I don't know. Poke, Mahia, Kyle, 72. Got you, bro. Olympus got 2. Olympus. Nice. Jokes. Got you. Yang. Got you. Kron. Got you. Nice, Kron. Sing. Leo. Of course. Dude, the chat is so smart. Bela. Eclipse. Nice. Fuse. Dude, I got your name, Poke. Anacat. Dude, Henry. Ayad, got you. Shad, dude, the chat. Monster, Anuj, so smart, so smart. All right, cool. Yeah, I wasn't in NYC when I was in high school, so no, I didn't. Crunchy, Hong. I've already got your name, April. How many names do you need? Oh, that was a comment to your friend. Sorry, Ranger. All right, so I'm gonna cut him off there. Gino, got you, bro. All right, monsters, Solhen, 0. All right, so let's go through this. Let's talk about this. Trash, Ricky, I see you guys. All right, cool. So a lot of people coming in on 1 here. Venna, Dice. Dan's already got you, bro. Okay, so, or did I? All right, so let's go over this. Let's talk about how to do it. So when we're doing probabilities like this, we have to realize that it's what we want over what the total is. And they compound. Like, think of flipping a coin. If I want heads twice, that's 1 out of 2 possibilities, and then I multiply that by 1 over 2 possibilities. Getting heads twice in a row, you have a 1/4 chance to get it. So that's how this goes down. Because there's no, you replace the pen back every time. It's not like the number goes down. So we know that the numerator is going to be 1 and 1 and 1. That checks. But what times itself 3 times? Like, this is twice, but we're going to do it 3 times equals 729. So a lot of people may know this straight off the rip, but how do you find the cubed root of a number? Well, dude, you have to do a little bit of factoring. So we know 729 can definitely be divided by 3. So that would be 2, 12, 4, 3, so that'd be 243. That also can be divided by 3. 243 divided by 3 is 81. Great, and that's 9 and 9. So here's a 9, here's a 9, and here's a 9. So we know that it's 9 cubed. So it's going to be this 1/9 times 1/9 times 1/9. And if there's 8 blue pens already, then all we need to do is add 1 green pen. And we're going to get our 1/9 probability. Bang. Yeah. Oh, you don't see your name, April? I have your name. It's right here. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Are permutations and combinations common on the SHSAT? I wouldn't say common, but they're definitely fair game. So good luck, good luck, Car. Yeah, they're definitely fair game. So yeah, can we do rotations? Yeah, we can do that. We can do rotation problems. Good, April. Yeah, definitely wish each other luck, dudes. I'm so excited for you guys. I do have a green pen. It happened. Yeah. So the answer is actually 1, Shaw, because we only need to add 1 green pen for the probability of a green pen being 1/9. So that's how that goes down. I had a green pen all along, bro. Yeah. Rotations. So the answer is 1, Poke. Yeah. Thanks, Jason. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if only you could use calculators for sure. All right, so you guys want to do one more probability? Let's see. Whoa. Revolutions? Okay, everybody's been saying revolutions, so I'm gonna do a revolution problem for you guys. We'll see how it works out. Just give me a second so I can put it together. Dude, my brain is waking up. Dude, learn from my mistakes. Before you get to the test, wake your brain up. Whatever that means. Like, wake your brain up before the test. That's what you gotta kind of do. You know what I mean? All right, so let's go into it. Any tips before I take it? I don't know, man. I would just keep your attitude good. Keep a positive attitude. Yeah. Am I making another hiking video? Probably in March. 9th grade tips, same as 8th. Just grind, dude, and don't get down if you think it's too hard. It's supposed to be too hard. So, yeah. Could be. Maybe. One more probability. Yeah, you guys are all stressing. Guys, try to get a hold of yourself. That's the key. Because yeah, Promenade, I will be making another video like that. Because there's a lot of things that are out of your control. The test form that you get, the concepts that are on that test, the proctor that you have, the room that you're in. There's so many things that are out of your control. So, what are in your control? Well, one, being on time to the test, that's within your control, and that helps stress. And two, what your attitude is, bro. Get your attitude right. Get your brain right. I'm telling you, that helps so much because most of the time, this is why people are stressed. I want to do it on the other side. And this is why people feel like when they leave the SHSAT, they're like, oh my God, I failed it. So this is the grades on a normal class. Okay. Most people get somewhere around that 90. Some people get 80s. Some people get 95s. You know what I'm saying? So this is a normal test. And this is what most people are used to, my dudes. But bro, let me show you something. This is the SHSAT. So even if you're like a normal straight A student and you're normally getting like 96s in class, do you see where that is on this test? Do you see what I'm saying? So dudes, when you're like taking the test, it might cross your mind where you're just like, "Oh, this is so hard. I'm failing it. I'm going to get a D." Well, dude, a D is a really good score because less than half the people got less than a 50%. So just recognize it's going to be a much harder test, dudes. Don't let it get you down. Okay, rotation problems. So then do, or should we do? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Can I explain that? It makes no sense. What do you mean it makes no sense? It makes a lot of sense. What are you talking about, April? I'm just saying it's like it's going to feel like you're not doing good, but don't get down because even if you only get like a 70%, you're like elite. Do you know what I'm saying? So shoot for 90%, shoot for this up in here, but it's going to feel really, really hard. Yeah. So that's all I'm saying is it's going to feel hard, but even if you don't do as good as you normally think you do, you're actually doing way better. So that's just all I wanted to kind of get across with that. People tend to get higher scores than on the real test. I don't know, maybe because they're not nervous, and on the real test they're nervous, so their score goes down. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's do. Yeah. Let's do a rotation problem. So. 2 minutes. Where? So it'd be. 14. 154. Okay, cool. Let's do that. How do you calm down before the test? Dude, that's on you, bro. You're just going to have to get a hold of yourself. We could do that, Jasmine. Let's do that next, actually. Yeah, exactly, Rachel. Yeah. All right, cool. So let me see. Yeah, I'm really excited for March too, bro. Okay, cool. So, let me get my black pen. Hold on a second. So then it would be. Wait. No, it doesn't go in clean. So let's just do that. So it'd be 8, 10, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, whoops. Dude, what just happened? Okay. All right, so check this out. Is transformation on the 8th grade SHSAT? Potentially. Potentially, yeah. No, I'm definitely taking a vacation. That's for sure, dude. Um, um, all right, cool. Here's your question, guys. A wheel has a radius of 7 inches. The car is currently traveling at 308 inches a second. How many rotations will it make in 1 minute? Okay. Okay. All right, bros. I kind of want to just go through this one. I'm seeing a lot of answers. I don't know, of course, I actually don't know what the answer is going to be. But I'm seeing a lot of different answers. So I want to go through this one to talk about this one. So let's go through it. Let's talk about it. So a wheel has a radius of 7 inches. So we need to figure out what its circumference is. Its circumference is going to be 2 pi r. So 2 pi r would be 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. So the circumference is going to be 44 inches. So it's currently traveling 308 inches a second. So we got to see how many times this 44 goes into 308. And it's not going to go in cleanly. So it's probably going to go in 7 times, I'm guessing, this 44. 7 times 4 is 28, 20. 7 times 4 is 28, 20, 30. Great. So 7 rotations. Guys, it is making 7 rotations a second. Okay? How many will it make in a minute? So if it's going 7 rotations every second, we need to multiply that 7 by 60. So 60 seconds, 7 rotations every second, 0, 6, 420. Noise. That is noise. All right, dude, we're definitely going to have to do a redemption on this because I believe in you guys. I believe that you guys can do this. All right, so let's do a redemption. Oh, no, actually, that's too easy. So then that would be all right, here's the question. Dude, my pen is running out of ink. How symbolic, bros, at the end of a journey, the pen runs out of ink. All right, so, bros, here is your redemption question. Many people said you couldn't do it. Rotation problems? Too hard. Your time to prove them wrong. Minute and a half, guys. Let's get it. Oh, pi is 22 over 7. Thanks. All right, Kyle. $42 TTV. Got you. Jonathan Jiang. Auditioning. Ming got 60. Ming. Okay. Meme. Liang. Dude, Liang had a clutch performance. What was that, 2 days ago? Prominent. April. Cubing. Oh, dude. Nahar. Dude. Zhao. Nade. Tejas. Dude. Dan's. Zeden. Leo. Poke. TTV. Too late to change, bro. It's too late to change. Anakat. Anuj. Shiba. Nazir. Dude. Gobble. Dude. Monster. All right. That is enough time, hopefully, to solve this one. Uden. Got you. Ahmed. Bruh. Crunchy. Hong. Bruh. Swagger. Bro. Wow. Rama. Animation space. Oh, Zach. Got you, bro. Dude. Gameo got 300. All right. Let's go over this, dudes. Let's go over this. Camilo. Vena got 240. Vena! What are you doing? Underline your name? I don't remember. Oh, here it is. Poke. There you go. Elizabeth Guerrero. All right, dudes. All right. Gameo got 300. All right, so let's go into this. Let's talk about it. A lot of people are saying 120. Oh, dude, thanks for the 5, Jason. Super appreciate that, bro. You're going to get 500, at least 500 extra points on your SHSAT, dude. Good luck. Cool. So let's go over how to do this problem here, bro. Definitely GG, Jason. Thanks, bud. So let's go over it. All right. So a wheel has a radius of 21 feet. If it is traveling 264 feet a second, how many rotations does it make a minute? Okay, so this is actually, I think, harder. Oh, that's a typo, Venna? Did you mean to put 140? No. What did you mean? That's a typo? Okay. Oh, dude, Jason, thanks, man. Super solid, man. Jason's a real G. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, cheaper than most test prep. Okay, cool. So let's go through this one. Let's talk about how to do it. So the radius is 21 feet. The circumference is going to be 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. So it's going to be 42 times 22 over 7. All right, that's going to definitely cancel, and that's going to be a 6. So 6 times 22. 12, 13, 132. All right, so 132 feet is the circumference around this this wheel. So if it's going 264 feet every second, that means it's making 2 rotations every second. So there are 60 seconds. Excuse me. There's 60 seconds. 2 rotations every one of those seconds. 0, 1, 20. Bruh. The redemption's real. Wow! The redemption is absolutely real. Don't listen to anybody who says that you can't learn. Good job, everybody. Dude, the redemption is absolutely real. Oh, you read the question wrong? Dude. Yeah, you could do that, Llama, for sure. And with 50 to 8, what does that mean? How you got 2? I can tell you. Because the circumference around this wheel is 132 feet, because that's the circumference 2 pi r. So 132 feet every time the wheel rotates. If it's going 264 feet every second, that means it needs to rotate 1 time, 2 times to equal 264. And so that means 2 times a second. Now, if it's rotating 2 times every single second, we have 60 seconds. That's 2 rotations, 2 rotations, 2 rotations every second for 60 seconds. That's why I multiplied the 60 by 2 and I got 120. Yeah. So that's what's up. Yeah. Definitely. Shout out to Jason. Thanks, man, for the donations, bro. You're the boss, and you're getting yourself some really good karma for the test, dude. That's all I will say. Yeah, you can email me, April. That's all good. You can definitely email me. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's how this one. Yeah. Okay, yeah, dude. Thanks so much. Cool. All right, see you, Zeden. Good luck, dudes. All right, so some distance problems. But how did I find the circumference? The equation for circumference is 2 pi r. It also could be pi times the diameter. So in this case, the radius was 21, so 42 pi. That's what this is over here, 42 times the value of pi. And then that 7 goes into the 42 6 times, so 6 times 22. That's how we get it. Yeah. Dude, you got it, Zeden. You keep it real, bro. Good luck with your test. Yeah, you can get extra credit if, yeah, depending on the donation, you can definitely get 9,000 points. Just kidding. All right, so yeah, super stream, bro. All right. You should feel good, bro. All right, so you're taking the test on Wednesday? All right, well, good luck, bro. You're going to do great. All right. How many circumference and radius questions will there be? That's really tough to say, man. I would say a good amount. I think you're probably going to see at least 1, probably 2 circles. We could do a distance problem. Yeah, let's do a distance problem next, actually. And then I have to give you questions such as, when did these 2 trains meet at the same time? Yeah, actually, people have been asking me for those types of problems. So let's do that. Jonathan, we did some combination stuff at the beginning of the stream, so you can always go back and check that out. Okay, cool. So let me see. Let me draw this up actually. Okay. All right, cool. Here's the question, bros. City A is 600 miles from City B. Rick runs 22 miles per hour. Joktapi runs 28 miles per hour. If they start at the same time, when will they meet? Is gum allowed in the test? That's a really good question, bro. I'm not 100% sure, dude. April, I've already used two of your names. How dare you? All right, guys, I'll give you guys like another minute and a half on this. Those are the fastest people in the world? Yeah, gobble. They're motivated to meet each other. Yeah, these are hard. Okay, so we've got the first answers coming in here. In miles, please, or no, in hours, please, because it's like a when question, not where. You know what I mean? Dude, dude, Ahmed, dude, you guys crush this problem. Dan's. We'll go over it, Barry. So don't trip if it's hard. TTV. Zach. And a cat. Zal. Dude, Poke, you guys crush this. Cubing. Dude. Ranger. All right. Cool. All right, bros, let's go over this one. That's definitely enough time. All right, so one thing to consider is that they're working together. So let's just say the speeds don't matter. If there's 600 miles between these two cities and they're both starting at the same time, together they both need to work together to make 600 miles. Joktapi can run 200 miles, Rick would run 400 miles, they would meet together, that adds up to 600. So really both of these guys are working to eat up 600 miles as fast as possible. So that's what the equation is going to represent. We know Joktapi's speed is 28 miles an hour times however long. Well, actually, let me show you the root equation here. Distance equals rate times time. So his rate times his time plus his rate, and they have the same time because they're both running, starting and ending at the same time. That will equal a total of 600. This is distance equals rate times time. Okay, because they're both working together. Do you know what I mean? Dude, is it really static? What a time to be alive, guys. So what we end up with here is 50x equals 600. Then we can divide each side by 50. And yeah, x is going to equal 12. Really nice, dude. The chat is super good today. You guys are on your game, bro. I'm so pumped for you. You guys are doing really good. You used the table? Yeah, that works too, bro. Yeah, exactly, Ming. That's how that goes down. Although I would watch your parentheses on that, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are hard. Yeah. We can do something like that. A little bit of static. No big deal. Okay, yeah, let me see if I can come like with like a logic problem like that, because they definitely will. They definitely do love doing that. What if they didn't start at the same time? Then it would just depend. Then you'd have to do x plus 1 or x minus 1 depending on the time. Yeah. There's a question in my inbox. All right, let me pull that up. My computer is running so slow right now. Ugh. Oh my god. Why do you put the hardest problem? April, I will help you with this problem, but we can't do it on the stream. It's like really hard. Okay. So, okay. Leo just sent me an email too. Let me pull this up. See if it's not a ridiculously difficult problem. It's like, come on. Uh, ah. Yeah, that's a difficult problem. I was actually going to do a problem like this. Dude, it is a super stream. It happened. Okay, cool. So let me do a problem like this. Oh, thanks, Jason. Appreciate that, guys. I've been streaming for 100 minutes. Yay! All right. So, yeah, dude, really what I like the most is just the fact that you guys showed up and are grinding. That to me is like the best thing that you guys can ever do. So cool. Let me see. This would be, hold on. So it could be like, okay. Wait. Okay, yeah. All right, cool. So here is a logic style question that they do on the test. This would be this would be the example example type question. So let's get it. 21 people have a dog, 13 people have a cat, 6 people have both a dog and a cat, 400 people have neither a dog or a cat. How many people are there total? Oh, thanks, Jonathan. Appreciate that, dude. Dude, good luck, Ahmed. You're gonna crush, dude. Don't even trip. To bring educational to the adolescents. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, bro. 422, we got Kyle. 428, that's Ali. And Poke. And Jiang. And Rachel. And Zhao. Wow. Nazir. Whoa. Brian got 400. Brian. Okay. Chan. Tejas. Shah. Jason. Whoa. Dude. Macau. Dude, nice, nice, nice. Meme. Got you, bro. Zach. Ahmed. Ansel. What's up, Ansel? Word. Salen. Oh. That's Solhen. My bad. What's up, Solhen? Anaket. Bruh. Hong. Dude, you guys are crushing this. This is not epic. Monster. Alright. Guys, this is 2 minutes. That's almost enough time. Deha. Got you, bro. Gamio. I like saying Gamio. Gamio. Chen got 22. Got you, Chen. Alright, cool. So let's go over this. Let's do it, guys. Let's talk about it. Alright. So these questions are deceptive a little bit because a lot of times people just kind of add them up and that's it. But you have to recognize that there are some people who have both a dog and a cat. So let's break this down. How many people have just a dog? Well, 6 people have both a dog and a cat, so we need to subtract 6 from this. So 15 total have just a dog. Okay? 7 total have just a cat. 6 have both. And 400 people are, for some reason, included in this survey. Okay, so let's go into this. This is 22. That's going to be 28. So then we add the 400, 400, and 28. That's what's up. Really, really nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's how this goes down. If you got the 422, you I think forgot to count the 6 people who have both a dog and a cat. That would be my guess. I appreciate that, Ahmed. You got caught up in the filter, but I appreciate you telling people that like the stream. Thanks, man. Yeah, definitely drop a like if you love feeling this type of stress. Yeah, you could argue that this is a category problem. Yeah, you could argue that. Okay, so guys, don't be scared. Venna, shout out to Venna. Shout out to Gino. Cool. Shout out to Gino. Yeah. All right, bros. So yeah, guys, you have your test coming up. Super, super key, dude. Question involved number line, like where's point C if point B is 1/3 the... Ooh, that's a really good question. We could do something like that. Yeah, I would say that is technically a category question, yeah. Stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is the end of the journey studying for the SHSAT together. It has been so much fun. It has been so great. So many redemptions have been real. Yeah. So guys, yeah, that's it. I think we're getting towards the end. I think this is it, guys. Extended ending. Extended iconic ending. Because I just want to just chat and kind of go over some last minute stuff. And just some advice that I have. Okay. If you guys have a question, send it tonight because I am disappearing tomorrow. I'm literally becoming, I hate that word, but I am going to become a ghost and nobody's going to be able to find me starting tonight at midnight. So I am going to go away. I'm going to take a break. But guys, some last minute thoughts I want to impart onto you guys because I think it's so important that you guys recognize how much good work you've done. And let me just make it a little brighter. Ooh, too bright. Come on down. A little bit higher. There we go. That's great. A little too bright, but who cares? All right, so guys, you have been doing What a Time to Be Alive, Shad. Let me just get a little background music here. A little bit of background beat there. All right. So you guys have been doing really good. Like, you've been studying. Keep in mind, a specialized high school is not going to make you a genius. A specialized high school is not going to make you successful. And it's not, oh wow. And it's not going to make you rich. Whoa. Okay? All a specialized high school will do is to give you the opportunity to work hard with other kids who want to work hard. That's it. So if you get in, you're basically just going to get into a place that you have to work super, super hard, right? Yeah, this SAT will be on this channel for sure. So keep in mind, if you get in, that's great, but that doesn't mean you're going to be successful or a genius. If you don't get in, that's fine. You're still you. And if you're a genius and you're going to be successful, you're going to be successful. You're going to figure out a way to get it done. So yes, there's a lot of stress on this, but don't forget that it doesn't define who you are. Just step into the room and show them what you got. That's it, dude. And if it's enough this time, thumbs up. Great. If it's not, there will be other opportunities and chances. You can go to an Ivy League college no matter what school you go to if you work hard. We're going to be studying the SAT on this channel. So if you guys want to go to college, study with me, bro, because you think I'm good at the SHSAT, just you wait, boy. I'm really good at tutoring the SAT. So if you come along for that journey, I will expect you to get pretty much a perfect score if you study with me for the SAT. No excuses. Perfect score. So yeah. Dude, it's been so much fun. When will I be starting the SAT? Oh, thanks, Rona, for coming. I will be starting it in 2 weeks. A week and a weekend from today. Oh, thanks, Anuj. Yeah, I look forward to you guys coming back, bro, to work on the SAT. Yeah. Dude, if you start working on the SAT now, you will be a absolute machine when you get to it junior year. Dude, study till I pass out. That's a nice little nugget there, bro. It's about the experience, bro. It's what you make of it. Yeah. Dude, also, what will be crazy... I will be, bro. What will be crazy is that a lot of you guys will see each other at specialized high schools. Isn't that crazy? Like you met in the chat. Yeah. Oh yeah, when you get, yeah, during lunch, stand on a table. The first day of specialized high school, you have to stand on a table during lunch and yell Tyler Tutor. That's a guaranteed way to make friends first day of high school. That's not too much long of a vacation. It is for me, man. A week off. I've been streaming almost every weekday for 4 months now. Okay. Yeah. Dude, yeah, start prepping, bro. Yeah, dude, I do remember the SAT channel. I think I'm just gonna make that a side channel. Yeah, you guys are the Shibas. Yes. Oh. That's awesome, April. That's really good. Look back on it, not with disdain, but with happiness. Yes. Yep. Yeah, you guys will find each other on the first day if just one of you stands on a table and yells Tyler Tutor. Then you'll find each other. That's how you make friends, guys. No one will think you're weird. Everyone will think you're cool. Nobody's gonna be like, who's that weird kid who no one knows screaming on a table the first day? No, they're gonna think, wow, who's that cool guy? Or who's that cool girl? I gotta get to know that person. They're confident. They'll stand on a table and scream a random name. Yeah. Yeah. But dude, you guys have done the work. You guys have done the work. Yeah. Tootie tootie. Yeah, for sure. All right, dudes. Guys, we have done over 100 sessions together. Over 100 hours. There's plenty to look back on and look at and all that stuff. Dude, it has been super fun studying with you guys. Thank you for pointing out all of my mistakes that I make. Thank you for pointing out my bad math when I do bad math. I appreciate that. But yeah, dude, guys, there's a lot of stuff to do on tylertutor.com if you haven't already. It's all for free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want your brains to get bigger. So tylertutor.com. Yeah, dude, exactly, Aniket. If you guys are available and you want to write like a handwritten note, you can email me, just telling me about your studying experience with my YouTube, because I'm going to be applying for different stuff to try to keep this free and try to keep it going. So yeah, if you guys want to reach out, you can definitely reach out via here. You can do more studying there. But yeah, dudes, dude, it is sad, but this has been so much fun. And guys, it's a journey. So it's not about going and crushing and winning. No, it's about an experience. So go into that test, be confident and cool, keep a nice steady clip, work on the section that you know how to do the best first, right? Yeah, don't forget to yell to the tutor. Dude, yeah, exactly. I'm acting like I'm going away forever, but I'm going to be back in 2 weeks. Dude, the real friends are those. The real static is the redemptions we made. That's funny, Shad. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a link in the description for the Discord. People are going to be studying on that all night, probably. But dudes, don't stress out. Tonight, stay active. Play some Deep Mind. Let me write these out. Play Deep Mind. If you get to the bottom, email me. I will put your name on the banner at the bottom. You can take the Diagnostic on the site. Over 200 people have already done that, 300. Diagnostic, and you can do /math. I think /ELA works, but there's also a link for ELA there too, bro. I won't make a science channel, but I will do the SAT. The real redemption is the static our friends made. That's a real statement, April. Yeah. So, keep fresh tonight, dude. It is very deep. It's over 70 floors now. Yeah. All right, guys. So this will be the final tutoring session. Was it a super stream? Yes, for you guys, because you guys are the best. Don't be stressed. Just stay positive. Know that the test is hard for everybody. So don't push it. Don't push it past where you're comfortable. Just stay in your lane and do your work. Don't feel like you have to be extra. You know what I mean? All right, bros. So Anuj is streaming Deep Mind, so check that out. Oh, thanks, Rach. All right, guys. I will be here in spirit. I will be there in spirit. I will be sending you the best vibes tomorrow and Sunday and in the days beyond. You guys have made this an awesome year. The channel has grown so much. I really appreciate everybody coming in and studying and all that stuff. OGs, shout out to the OGs. Could not have done it without them. All right, dudes. So, yeah, this is it. So, guys, do good on the test tomorrow. I know you will. Know that everybody is going through it. So if you feel nervous, look around you. Everybody's feeling nervous. Seek some comfort in that. Keep a positive attitude. Keep a good pace. Know that the test is trying to demoralize you, to make you think you can't do it. You can do it. All right, guys. It's been really sick. See you in 2 weeks. I'm on vacation!